guys, welcome back to the Honest Motherhood. I hope you all are doing good and also doing great. Look at Jaden's outfit. Check it out. Nice outfit, Jaden. So we are going to church, and yes, we are not late. We're going. Yes, baby. Where are you going? Church. Okay, looking so good. I like your dress. I like the way you look. Blue looks very nice on you. Yes, baby, you look handsome. Yes. Wow. Nice cap. Yeah, must be fixed. Nice cap. So as of today, no plans. Yesterday it was raining and now again back it's normal. It's become hot now. So yes, not sure because I have to do a lot of shoots. Yesterday also I was busy shooting. And again today I have a lot of shoots that I have to do. So let's see how it goes if I get time. But yes, actually I forgot to say on Friday evening I had taken Chetan out to a play zone. So he played nice games. And because I knew that, Saturday and Sunday I'll be busy, I have a lot of shoots to do. So that's the reason why I thought of him. Friday night, from the evening, I can take him out. Because most of the shoots I prefer doing it in the daylight. So yes, guys. It's all to connect with you guys again. Jaden is busy taking vitamin D. What are you doing, baby? Vitamin? You're taking vitamin D. Where's the shots? Where's vitamin? What vitamin?
What's the circle?
Come inside, baby. Enough. Come.
Mama,
Hi, baby.
what's the circle?
What is it?
What's the circle?
What cycle? Show me. What is that?
Soap.
You have Spider-Man in your hand. Come, baby. Enough. Come. Come inside. Enough. Come. Enough, bacha. Come.
Soap?
Come, Baba.
My soap.
Okay. Your show. Come. Come. Nice breeze. But it's still hot. Yes, no, baby? Is it hot? Jeru, is it hot? Echi, what are you doing? Acho. Who's sticker? This thing sticker over there? Stick there. Okay, come enough now. It's very hot. It's not good for you. Come, we'll go inside, baby. Jedu, come, baby. Oh, good boy. Oh wow, come. I'll give you one more sticker. Come, I'll give you more sticker. Come. Come on. You want more sticker? Come,
Yeah.
I'll give you more sticker.
Spider-Man.
Sing.
Where are you?
Where are you?
Say Spider-Man.
Spider-Man!
Where are you?
Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Say Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Say
Say,
Spider-Man!
where are you?